Project Panther is the vision of one car-mad customer who also happens to own an original Tomaso Pantera that's just here for inspiration. This is Project Panther, the first example of ARES Design's bespoke creationist service. Based on a Lamborghini Huracan, it uses the donor car's footprint and 5.2-litre V10, but reclothes the exterior in fresh carbon fibre, reimagines the interior as somewhere less shouty, and upgrades performance to 648 brake horsepower.